बड़े लोग कहते हैं, even if we disagree about everything in life, we can still be kind to each other. ये दुनिया में सभी डाइवर्स व्यूज वाले लोग हैं, सबके रास्ते अलग अलग हैं। जब तक ये रास्ते एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं करें, तब तक इसका आनंद लेना चाहिए। This kindness to each other remains a bridge of two gentle people. I further say, listen with grace, even when we cannot agree. This uplifts the spirit, setting our true selves free. We should be respectful to each other. And when the need arises, we should unite and fight with something which that person is looking for help. We should give it readily. So be kind to each other, be respectful to each other. You can have your own views. That's good. That lifts your spirit.